Now to my wardrobe. Okay.
Student life.
And that's the wardrobe. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. And like, is that Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back again with another video. We're back at uni, start of 3rd year.
Gang.
And so today we've got a room tour of the new house. So you guys are going to be seeing that and I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel and join the pharmacy gang. Woohoo! To start the room tour, I'm just giving you a general overview of the layout of my room. I chose the colour yellow because I felt that yellow was a colour of a fresh start. It was clean. It just gave me clean vibes and that's what I wanted for this room for year 3. So that's why I chose yellow. I'm going to start this tour off with the layout of my bedside table and just talk you through that. Bedside table context, just going to talk you through it. Lamp is from TK Maxx. I felt like it's quite different, you know. It's very freeing, open. I like it. My flowers, my fresh flowers. Bedside table from IKEA. I really like it because then it's a storage as well. I can put my cushions and stuff in there. Obviously, essential. Everyone needs speakers, you know, for the early morning bangers. My stand, which I charge my phone and my watch on as well. And then, essential. This right here comes in so handy. Just talk you through it. Got the crunchy. The rug here that my bedside table is on is from IKEA. I think it's just one of the Now to talk about the bed itself. My bed sheets. Oh my god. They are so hard to maintain, but I love the all white. Fresh and clean and open. I think I got them from Asda. Cushions from TK Maxx. Love my soft cushions. English.
Went forward down.
Got the cushions from Wilko's, I think from like 2 years ago. Would recommend 10 out of 10. Blankets from TK Maxx. I think TK Maxx is just a plug for this room, to be fair. Yeah, so that's the bed area done. Got this storage from IKEA, good old Kallax, very handy. Makes the bed a bit longer as well. And then inside here, toiletries, Monopoly, can't go wrong with that. Got my bags in there, and all my towels and toiletries and all that stuff in there. Lovely. LED lights, Amazon, shout, fun. Great for summer. So my table, my study table is from IKEA as well. Had to get it extra because the table they put in this room, there was no studying happening on that table, I can't lie to you. So this table is where I do all my studying at. So you've got the BNFs handy there. I've got like all my useful books here that I use. Got my drawers which has all my stationery and stuff in. I quite like this table as well because it's right next to the window. You get some fresh air in here, and just when you're studying you can look out and it's just nice, peaceful. Loves it. First of all, over here I just have a few storage boxes. Plantain chips, so handy, oh my gosh. You know how many lectures plantain chips have come in handy for? When you're just sat in that lecture and your belly's rumbling and you're thinking, I need a snack.
Amen. I
need a snack. Got my shoes down here, just out of the way because I don't really want them everywhere. I had to get an extra fridge freezer in my room just because there's not really space downstairs for freezer foods. God bless my sister. Oh my god. She plugged me with all these frozen stews that I can just defrost whenever I want to eat. Over here is where I do my makeup. It's got like all my perfumes. Shout out to Jess for organising my beauty table. Beautiful. Jess sat down and she fully organised this table for me because it was not happening. But yeah, this table just has all my makeup, and she also did the drawers where she's organised all my palettes and facial stuff, sunglasses, you know, everything all organised there. Lunches. But yeah, do all my beauty stuff here just because there wasn't enough space on that reading table for the both of them. Big long mirror. Just to check out myself, really, to be fair. You know what I mean? And got my laundry basket of the IKEA purchase. Very handy. Can just carry it out to the washing machine downstairs. And yeah, over here I've got like my uni timetable. Not timetable. What's it called? Yeah, assessment guide. So it's got like when all the assessments are coming out, so I can just glance over. Now to my wardrobe. I think it's actually one of my favourite bits of the room. Okay.
Student life.
And that's the wardrobe. Obviously, the wardrobe is very organised.
Motherfucking liar.
So my wardrobe is organised in a certain way. So down here I've got all my jeans, smart trousers are there, skirts are there, and I think these are still skirts. Folded nicely so I can see the colour of them, so I know exactly what I need. I need that one, it's there ready. It's quite a nice way to organise it. And then I've done the same for this drawer. These are all like my tees, because usually for uni you just like get a black tee, get a white tee, jogging bottoms, and you're good. So got like all my tees here in colour, so I know exactly which one it is and I can just pick it out and go. Got my gym shirts there, sports bras, gym tops, and then gym leggings, because I can just keep them all at one side. We'll skip over that bit. These are just pyjamas and just casual clothes for the house. All my gym stuff like resistant bands, sweatbands, the what's that thing called?
Shoulder rest.
The shoulder foam.
All my gym people.
Yeah, shout out to you guys. And then yeah, just casual tops and scarves to sleep with. And then yeah, the rest is just things that you just hang up generally. It's not exactly organised up here, but you know what it is, whatever. Cool. The last bit of the room, okay, I changed my mind. This is my favourite part of the room. This is my picture wall. Got it? This wall has my pictures of all my family and my loved ones. Got the girls on there, got baby T on there. Just got like all my favourite memories on here. It just takes me home a little bit, you know? I just got my clothing rack. So when I do my washing, I can just put it up here, dry my clothes while I'm at uni or whatever. And my whiteboard, which is going to come in very handy when exam season kicks in. Good. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the room tour. But
do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get in Igbo. Say